Welcome to Graphic 45's Volume 11 Monthly Kit Introduction video. I'm Shari Philomohala here at the Graphic 45 headquarters, and I am excited to get to show you today what we're going to be creating for our Volume 11 kits. For our Club G45 kit, you can see I am holding this fabulous and fun chipboard purse. These projects this month have been created for us by the wonderful Annette Green. And Annette has gone above and beyond this month and created this super fun chipboard purse that we already have cut out for you. So all you have to do is assemble the pieces to create this super cute and dimensional purse. And then of course, to go inside it, you're also going to be getting the chipboard bases to create this album cover for the double accordion album that you can see here. And when you untie each of these sides, it just unfolds into lots of opportunities for your memories, adding photos and embellishing, really using our collections to the fullest. You'll see we're using different embellishments beautifully, as well as even doing a little bit of fussy cutting out some playing cards and adding a bit of dimension on both sides. So this month with your Club G45 kit, you will be getting our Everqueen collection pack. This is the 12 by 12, and you'll get 2 of each of the 8 double-sided sheets. You'll also be getting 2 of these wonderful cardstock sticker sheets. Those are both unique and lots of fun to use. And then to decorate this kit up nicely, we've got some Ephemera Queen chipboard, as well as the Ephemera Queen die-cut assortments, and our Graphic 45 metal antique ornate keyholes. And then of course with your club kit, you're going to be getting a Graphic 45 bag, as well as the colored project sheet that has the step-by-step directions on how to create these projects. So that's all going to come with your Volume 11 club kit. You can hop on over to our website, G45papers.com, to pick that up, or to subscribe to our club, where you're going to get a bunch of goodies like this sent directly to your doorstep every month. It's always new products and new projects, so it's a lot of fun to get that in the mail each month. And then for our G45 card club, our cards, as per usual, have been created for us by the fabulous Ginger Ropp. And she definitely went above and beyond as well this month, creating some super fun and interactive waterfall cards. So you can see there's this great waterfall element on the front of the cards, and then you open it up and we are going to embellish on the insides as well. And these cards this month are extra special, not only because they have the fun waterfall element, not only just because they're oversized, but also because we're using these fabulous glitter card bases. So in your G45 card kit, you'll get 6 of these card bases, along with some white envelopes that coordinate with the insides. You'll also be getting our Ephemera Queen 8x8 paper pad. That's the same images from our 12 by 12, but they've been shrunk down so they fit perfectly on your card fronts or in your mini albums. And then we'll be using our Ephemera Queen ephemera cards, where you get 32 different pieces in there, and we'll be using our Graphic 45 matte pearl gems. And then you'll get the Graphic 45 new card club bag. So these bags are super fun and just been created for us to go along with our card kits. So they're a scaled down version where you can fit all of your card club goodies inside. So if you are not complete with your projects, then you need to move on to the next project or make some room, you can always store your goodies in there, or you can just store your leftover pieces in there too when you're done creating all 6 of your cards. So be sure to pick up this kit as well on our website, G45papers.com, or subscribe to our card kit where you get $30 worth of fun and fabulous goodies sent directly to your door every month. And go ahead and click in the description below. You'll find the links where I will teach you how to create all 3 of these different projects. So there'll be a link for the purse tutorial, one for the double accordion mini, and of course the waterfall cards. The fun and great part about each of these tutorials is you can always follow along with your supplies you've got at home as well. Can be a little bit trickier with a chipboard purse base, but you could find a template and trace it out on some heavy duty chipboard and still create along with us and create something super fresh and fun. So go ahead and do that. Click on the links, grab your supplies, and let's start creating some ephemera queen magic.